The bailout of Greece is, of course, complete insanity in the current situation, and it's a sign of the myopic Keynesianist view of how to manage an economy, and basically the pretense that is what's going on with the current governments is just ridiculous. It's just beyond ridiculous. It's not happening at all. The basic tenet is, of course, that when you give a pile of money to people, they'll start running around and investing it, and people are ready to do stuff for that money, are still ready to do stuff for that money, and they will, and then hopefully that country or whoever you give that money will become productive, and that solves the problems. The weird thing, and of course the completely arrogant thing, is that the IMF and the World Bank and these institutions pretend that they somehow have performed some kind of effort, some kind of that is really their prestige, that you are loaning, that they are helping you. But of course, they are not helping you at all. They are giving you money, which they create the moment that you ask for it. And the value of the money is completely determined by the willingness of you and your fellow citizens, people in these countries, to work for it, and nothing else. The effort comes from Europe itself. If Greece pulls itself out of the dip and etc., then it's only because the people in Europe are willing to help out and accept the money of Greece. It's complete nonsense to have an entity, an external entity like the IMF or the World Bank, or for that matter the European banks, laying claim on anything in Greece because they have given money to Greece. It's complete nonsense. And it's just a sign of the obsoleteness of Keynesian economics, and it should be really time to embrace the fact that you don't have to employ everybody, that if you use alternative energy, that you can create wealth for everybody, and there's really no need to be complete assholes as the bankers are today. And then, of course, the last thing that I talked about in the other videos is that this move prevents bankers from taking a loss when it's still, let's say, doable for them to do so. Because bankers can always take a loss. They don't have any collateral for their money that they're handing out right now. They have nothing on their balance sheet to kind of, in terms of savings. So it means nothing if they take a loss. It really means nothing at all. It's just maybe some bankers out of a job, and they're smart people, so nobody should pity them. It's like the one that should be pitied is humanity in general, to accept this type of activities going on. It's insanity.